this labor-intensive, folding the banana leaves, making the masa. This is the payoff. Exquisite.
Greetings all. Today we're going to make tamales, the Caribbean style. I'm going to be using banana leaf with taro root. Slava Ukraina. Let's get to it. The main ingredients are going to be banana leaf, taro root, chicken thighs, annatto, and a variety of spices and vegetables. Begin by prepping the banana leaf. Trim the edges and parboil for a couple minutes, then clean off in the sink. Cut up into around 8-inch squares. Boil the chicken with the vegetables and the spices for about 40 minutes. Drain, then let cool. Once cooled, tear apart the meat, add spices, and mix.
Sister Golden Hair Surprise.
Peel and chop the taro root in 1-inch chunks. Then puree in a grinder. Simmer the annatto seeds for about 20 minutes on low heat in oil. Then drain, then set aside. To the masa, you want to add the spices, salt, pepper, and annatto oil as shown. Mix well. Then build each tamale. Start by painting a banana leaf with the annatto oil. Lay down some masa and fill with meat. Then tuck, roll, and wrap the tamale with string or twine. Get a large pot, add extra banana leaf, fit all the tamales in, and steam for about 90 minutes. Enjoy right away or store in the freezer for up to 6 months.
One moment of truth for the tamales.
Amazing. A complexity of flavors and a nice contrast between the outside and the inside filling.
What are you gonna add?
Mole.
A little bit of mole. What are you gonna drink later?
Mount Ararat is a brandy named after the Armenian peak. Janine, you've never seen a taco before.
Taco? That's not a taco.
A
You told me
tamale.
another word for this thing.
Tamale.
Tamale.
Tamale, okay. Now, normally it's Mexican, but this one's more Puerto Rican style. So
What?
it has chicken inside, and it's just taro root. So
It's hot. It's hot as hell. That's definitely edible. That's doable.
Wait. Go. Good boy.